talk about taxes and pay your fair share in the race for the White House. So look at this number, and this is from the Tax Policy Center. In 2015, 45% of American households, that is accurate, households paid no federal income tax at all. D.R. Barton is here. D.R., we often think of you as a stock market watcher. What are you checking up on taxation rates for? What's your point here?
Well, Stuart, I have the pleasure and the blessing of teaching through the years a lot of kids about economics. We have a great economics competition here in Delaware, and we talk about these types of things all the time. And Economics 101 is you get less of what you tax and you get more of what you incentivize. So one of the big problems, and we talk about the political candidates that are in the news all the time, we talk about the Clintons and the Sanders and their tax programs, and they are trying to tilt this board more to that side of making that 45% grow, putting a bigger burden on the people that are really making the money, greasing the wheels of capitalism, if you will. Do
the youngsters that you teach, do they know how much some people really do pay in tax? Or are they under the impression that the rich don't pay anything at all? Or they don't pay their fair share? Is that their impression?
Well, I think I live in a university town here, Stuart, so that we are a left-leaning community while I'm not with them. And I think a lot of the kids do hear that message. That message is coming through that corporations in particular and the rich people in addition also are not paying their fair share, when actually, if we look at the numbers, I think we've gotten a decent balance of what's going on right now, and we can't tip it any further.
Okay, we hear you. D.R. Barton, get out there and teach those youngsters. Thank you very much. Show them how it really is.